I'm wearing something tie-dye today. Well, bleached. Because I feel like I haven't worn anything tie-dye for the entirety of quarantine. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today we're going to be unboxing not one, but two Boxycharm boxes. That is right, you guys. I literally got these in the mail like 5 minutes ago and I haven't even taken the tape off, so you know that it is like super duper new. I have literally no spoilers for this. The only thing that I know is like a skincare thing from 111 Skin. I've never heard of that brand, so I don't really know what it is, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox both of these today and let's do like a little bit of a comparison. I know one is obviously more expensive than the other, so the premium's gonna have supposedly better stuff in it, but yeah, let's go ahead and unbox both of them. I'm very excited and I can't wait because you guys know that last month's Boxy Luxe was like literally insane and it was like my favorite box of all time. So let's unbox these and see if they compare at all or, you know, stand up to that box. And if you're new to the channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on into lay unboxing. So we're gonna do this one first. This is the regular Boxycharm, just the base box. Okay, open. Okay, so this month we have Boxycharm Sunshine. Here is the theme, very cute. I'm glad we got a card because you know the last couple of times it's been kind of weird without getting a card. Here's the first thing I see in here. This is by Nude Sticks. That's a cool brand. I like Nude Sticks. It is the Rock and Roller, oh, Easy Eyeliner. Okay, it's in like a bronze shade. What? Here's what it looks like. What is this? Oh, I don't know about that. This is like a little roller that you're supposed to do your eyeliner with. The color looks pretty, like it's like a bronzy kind of metallic brown color. The color's pretty, but I don't know about that, y'all. I feel like this is going to be really hard and like the line is super thin. So like I do a pretty chunky liner. I do like a pretty hefty wing and like a pretty big line, if you can see that. So like this I feel like is going to be really hard to use. I could be pleasantly surprised. I have no idea. Next up we have this. Ooh, this is cool. This is by the Clean Skin Club. I have heard of this before. This is a vitamin C brightening booster. I do love things that have vitamin C in them. And I do use quite a, ooh, this is a pretty bottle. Look at that. This is really pretty. I don't know what this reminds me of. Kind of like Sunday Riley vibes. I don't know, but that's cool. This super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of skin. So do you have to mix it with something? Hi ma'am. What are you, okay? Oh gosh. Alright, you can be over here. Oh, you can. So you can use it as a booster. So I guess you can like mix this in with your moisturizer or whatever, or you can use this directly as a serum. So apply 3 drops directly to face and neck. Cool. Okay, so I will definitely be using this just as a regular serum. I don't think I'm gonna mix it in with anything because I don't want to do it wrong and end up like hurting my skin. I don't know, but this is really cool. I do like stuff like this. I'm excited about that. Next up we have this from Grace and Stella. Ooh, fun. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Okay, these are eye masks. Not the best thing to possibly get in a box. Okay, and it looks like you get quite a few in here because I mean the box is pretty thick. Oh wow, you really do. Holy crap, you get so many. Wow, okay. You get so many. That's actually really cool. So these are what they look like. They are just gold eye masks and maybe they have caffeine in them because it says energy. I don't know. This is actually really cool. That is insane that you get so many. You get 2, so you get 1 for each eye. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 12 in this thing, so you have 12 uses. It's actually pretty nice. I've stopped using eye masks. I don't know why. I need to go back and use them again, but this is pretty cool. I am hyped about this. Definitely not the worst thing I could have gotten. Next up, we got this. Ooh, this is from Hourglass. It's called Scattered Light. Oh, now this is pretty. It is a glitter eyeshadow. Oh, it's called Ray. This is what it looks like. I've never used, look at that. I've never used anything like this from Hourglass before. Is it a pressed glitter or is it loose? Ooh, that's actually really pretty. Look at that. It's like a topper glitter. It's not like loose glitter. And when I was putting the brush in, it's kind of like a putty consistency. But look at this color. Really, really pretty. I love the bronze. I'm excited about this. I'll definitely use it. It's very different than something that I've ever seen from Hourglass before, so I'm not mad about it. And then last up, it looks like I have this from Ace Beauty. I actually have something from Ace Beauty right here. It's the Scarlett Dusk palette. Is this another eyeshadow palette? It looks really pretty. It looks very fall time, actually. Look at that. It looks very, very fall time. It is another palette. Oh my god, it's bronzer! Look at Kiva! She kept pawing at it. Hello, gorgeous girl. Oh, this is a bronzing palette. Look at this. I've never seen anything like this from Ace Beauty before. This is cool. I could even reckon that you could use this as... You know what? This and this would go really well together. You could actually use this as eyeshadow if you wanted to. I see a theme here. Look. So you could use this as eyeshadow, like a matte eyeshadow look, and then you can put this on top because it's that bronzy kind of same color as this. And if you get really good at it, you could use this brown liner and have like a kind of monochromatic brown look. I don't know, it could be a vibe. I don't hate the idea, but this is really cool, and I can also use it as a bronzer. I feel like it's gonna be a bit too warm tone for me though, because I mean like these two I cannot use at all. These two down here, I feel like they're still a bit more warm tone, so I could try it as an eyeshadow and see how it goes, but I'm not mad at this box. I'm just so glad I didn't get any damn brushes. This is kind of weird, not gonna lie. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'll definitely try it out and see what I think. Let's look at the card and I'll give you guys some full-size pricing on this base box. Alrighty, so the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster is $49.95, plus the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow is $29, plus the Ace Beauty Bronzed Paradise Palette is $30, the Grace and Stella eye masks are $21, and the Nude Sticks Rock and Roller eyeliner is $26. So all in all, I got a total value of $155.95. Not bad. I did not hate this box. I'm definitely going to use the Hourglass thing. I think the Hourglass thing and the Vitamin C Booster Serum are my two favorite things from this box. So I'm not mad at it. Like, I'm really not. So that has been the base box. So now we're going to go ahead and move on into this Boxycharm Premium box here. And this girl is heavy. We got a card. Same thing, obviously. Different products though. Hey! Okay, so I'm just looking. I just kind of just saw stuff. Okay. First things first, this is a Milk and Honey. It's a cuticle oil. This is great because I paint my nails and this is for nails, right? It's cuticle oil. Yeah, okay, it is. So this is really, really cute. Look at that. It's in like a spherical little bottle, and it's cuticle oil. As you can see right here, I do my nails quite often, and yes, I do these myself. These are actually jelly tips from a brand called Kiara Skies, and she has a set on her website. I'll have it linked at the bottom in the description if you want to check it out. It's actually really cool. Not sponsored or anything, but she sells these sets. So I have these square ones, but she has coffin shaped, she has almond shaped, and I have the medium, so there's even longer ones, but I like the medium ones. Even if she came out with a shorter version, I would probably even use those too, because I don't know, I love the idea of painting my nails whatever color I want to, and I don't use gel polish with these. You can. These are like little jelly tips that you apply using gel, so in the kit you get like the entire step. I'm going off on a tangent here. You get everything you need in the kit, or you can buy each thing separately as you need it, but they're great. I love this so far, and they stay on so well. And I'm actually wearing Light Slacker My Jam right now, the purple color from Summertime. Love it, love it. I actually like it a lot more than I thought that I would. I think it's so pretty and I love the jelly consistency. Anyways, this is not a review for that, but I'll have Kira Sky's link in the description because I genuinely think it is such a good product, and you don't have to shape them. They come like this. Like, all I did was file the end a little just to make them softer, so really great. But yeah, I will be using this cuticle oil for whenever I take these off, because I put my hands in acetone, like pure acetone, to like melt them off. So my hands can be a bit dry and then my cuticles can be dry, so this will absolutely help. Yes, I'm happy about this. Next up, I got a very heavy thing. Okay, so this is something that I cannot use unless, so this is a toner, and you know that I've kind of gone on tangents before that I can't use toners, and I did get asked, why can't you use a toner? Because my skin is so darn dry. Just toners for me, they tend to break me out even worse. Not break me out, but make me even more dry. This one right here is by a brand, Brio? I don't know, Brio New York. It's a bitter green essence toner. Ooh, okay, so this actually looks a bit thicker than like a normal toner. If you can see that, it kind of looks a little bit thicker. I love this color green. This is like my favorite color green of all time. But it says right here, it says, Bitter Green Essence Toner is a conditioning treatment toner that saturates the skin with hydrating and purifying green ingredients that help smooth the texture of the skin and protect against dehydration. So that leads me to believe this is a hydrating toner, which I can use. I'm actually really excited. I'm really, really hyped, and I hope this works. I'm gonna try this tonight when I take my makeup off. Sick! I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to use this, because if this works and if I can use this toner, I will. I'm happy with this so far. Next up, I have, ooh, this is a mask. Okay, well, it's a hair mask. This is by Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. Argan Oil 7 formula delivers a combination of multi-benefits. Detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair from fading, controls split ends, it has a coconut scent. Wow, I guess it's a hair mask. After shampoo, apply this mask. You leave it, You leave it in for 1 minute and then rinse it out. So this is really cool. I am excited to try this out because I like masks. I do. I use a hair mask on my hair usually every time I wash it. So, but I'm happy to try this out. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, there's that. Next up, what is this? Is this the mascara? Oh no, it's not. Anyways, I thought it was the mascara, but it's not. But it is by Milk Makeup. This is really cool. It is the Kush Lash Primer. Extra high volume. Boom. So this is a primer. I have never used a lash primer in my life. It's in the shade White Widow. It's very big. Look at that. So I will try this and see. This looks like paint. I've never used a lash primer. I will definitely try it out and see what I think. I don't know if lash primers will work. You know, like a lot of people say that primer in general doesn't work. So I get it, that part's fine, but like, I don't know what to do. I know you put this on and then you put on your mascara, but like, I'll have to see. I'll have to see if this works and see what, I didn't even know they had this. I've never seen any reviews on this before. I've never heard anyone talk about this before. I don't know if it's new, so I'll try it out and see what I think. I'm excited about it. I like Milk Makeup. I think they have fantastic products. I like the packaging too. It's really like innovative. It's cool. Okay, I got 2 more things here, and I got these from Morphe X Mani MUA. This is the Glam palette right here. Now, I did do a review on this palette a while ago, and I did not give it the best review ever, but I will try it again. I'm gonna try it again and see if I can reuse it and get like a better look out of it. The only thing that I didn't really care for is I thought that the shades were a bit less pigmented than I would like, because I know Manny, well, I don't know Manny, but like I use his Lunar Beauty products all the time. Like I have his Greek Goddess palette, I have his Strawberry Dream palette, I have his blush palette, I have his lip glosses. I am obsessed with them, all of them, and I think his eyeshadow formula is bomb.com, you guys. I think he's fantastic, and I think his makeup brand is fantastic. now. I know obviously this is not going to be the same formula as his own makeup brand, Lunar Beauty, so I don't know, I may just not like this formula. It has nothing to do with him. I think he's great, or has nothing to do with like him putting out bad makeup or anything. That's literally not the case at all. I'm actually wearing his Moon Prism blush palette today. When I reviewed this palette, I felt like the shades were a little bit lackluster. Here's what it looks like. It is very, very pretty. I will try it again and see what I think. I think that I can get a decent look out of it. I think these two highlighters are really cute, Apollo and Nova. Super, super cute. But yeah, I'm happy to have this, and I will definitely try it out in my own free time and see if I can, you know, get a better look. Alrighty, and the last thing we have here is by the Brow Bar. It is the Hollywood Icon collection. Look at this. Now, is this like a brow eyeshadow palette? I have no idea. I've heard of the Brow Bar, but I didn't know they did like palettes. Like, what kind of palette is it? It's very gold. It's very gold and it's very reflective. Ooh, no, this is a beautiful like face palette. Wow, okay, I had no idea. So, okay, here's what it looks like inside. Like, look at this. It reminds me of like BH Cosmetics, like their Desert Oasis palette for some reason. But you have 4 beautiful eyeshadows right here. I've never used their eyeshadows before, so I don't know how they are, but you have 4 eyeshadows right here, and it looks like these 2 are highlights, and then you have, okay, so this is a bit weird. It has a bronzer, which is this tiny little thing. Teeny tiny little bronzer. It has 2 blushes. It has a translucent setting powder, 2 highlights, and 4 eyeshadows. I like this palette. I think this palette is adorable, and the mirror is very, very nice. It's just this little bitty bronzer. I don't know what happened. What they do to you. This green though right here. Oh yeah, that is beaut. Very, very pretty. This is, I'm excited, and I'll try this translucent setting powder. These 2 blushes look cute. But yeah, there's that. Pretty cute. I'm not mad at it. I still can't get over that tiny little bronzer, but the rest of it is really nice. So you guys, that has been the Boxycharm Premium box for this month. I'm super happy about it. I've had definitely worse boxes. I think this is great. This right here, I am so excited about. I cannot wait to try this tonight. This right here, I'm excited about. This is about the brand Cuccio. I don't know, I forgot to say the brand whenever I first did it, but I love cuticle oil because I do my nails a lot, so that was really fun. This right here, I don't know how to use this, but I will just try it next time I put on mascara and see if using this first makes my lashes like insanely long and voluminous and luscious. I'm gonna go ahead and read off the pricing for this box so you can get some full-size prices. The Mini MUA X Morphe palette is $20. Wow. The Bitter Essence Toner by Byro? I don't know, that one's $95. So that's a pretty pricey toner. Yeah. The Milk Makeup Lash Primer is $24. The Nelson J. Beverly Hills Healing Mask for your hair is $24. Brow Bar Face Kit is $45. And the Kyoko Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil is $18. So this box did retail for a price of $226 on the nose. Not bad. I believe that the base box is $25 a month and that the premium box is $35 a month. So you definitely get a huge return out of that, because I mean just one product alone could easily equal $35. So I'm not mad at either of these boxes. I think they're both pretty great for what they are. It did not impress me as much as last month's Boxy Luxe, but you know, This is a pretty close one. There wasn't one that I was just like, oh, this is bad, I can't use anything in this box. No, I do like everything that I got. But you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you got either of these boxes, did you get the same stuff that I got? Did you get a different variation? Please let me know, because I would love to know that in the comments. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!